Seventh problem. In triangle ABC, prove a sine of a by 2 plus b equal to b plus c sine a by 2. Here I want to take this b plus c is there. So take this a as cross multiplication so that we have b plus c by a. Take this b plus c by a. If you substitute the sine formula here, I can have k sin b plus k sin c divided by k sin a. At the numerator I can take k as common. So take k as common, that is sin b plus sin c. You can cancel this k and k. So the remaining things are sin b plus sin c divided by sin a. Okay, and then here this sin b plus sin c can be written as 2 sin of b plus c by 2 into cos of b minus c by 2, that is in the formula sin c plus sin d. Okay, so I got the numerator like this by the using of the formula, and denominator we have sin a, simply sin a. So I can write this sin a as 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2, and then this b plus c by 2 can be written as 90 minus a by 2. This from already we have a plus b plus c equal to pi, isn't it? That pi is nothing but 180 degree. Here I can take this a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 equal to 180 by 2, that is 90 degree. Here b plus c by 2, keep this left hand side and take the a by 2 to the other side, it will become 90 minus a by 2. Okay, and then at the denominator we have here this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. The remaining things are a sin a by 2 into cos a by 2. Keep the terms as it is. And then sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Here theta is a by 2. So cos a by 2 into cos of this b minus c by 2 divided by sin a by 2 into sin cos a by 2. And then here I can again I can write this as we can cancel these two terms, cos of a minus 2 and cos a by 2 will be get cancelled. The remaining things are cos b minus c by 2 divided by sin a by 2. This c can be written as pi minus of a minus b, isn't it? That means what? Pi minus of a plus b. So I can write like this, and then remove the bracket so that we can have here b plus a, and even here also plus b only, isn't it? So that will be become 2b. 2b by 2 is, we can cancel 2 so that is simply b, and here a by 2. Here we have a by 2, this a by 2 is here. Here minus pi by 2, that is nothing but minus 90 degree. Cos of minus theta is cos theta only, isn't it? So we can take this minus here as common thing there. So cos of minus of 90 minus of this one. So cos of minus theta is nothing but cos theta. Therefore cos of 90 minus of this one. Cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta, isn't it? So I can have, for the numerator I can write this as sin theta, that is sin of a by 2 plus b divided by sin a by 2. I can cross multiply this thing. Therefore b plus c by a into sin a by 2 equal to sin a by 2 plus b. Okay, even I can cancel this a to the other side so that we have this result here. Second division, a cos b plus cos c equal to 2 into b plus c into sin square a by 2. Take the left hand side here, a into cos b plus cos c. I want to substitute the formula of this cosine formula, that is cos b equal to c square plus a square minus b square divided by 2ac. and cos c is a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab. Okay, and here at the denominator 2a is common. I want to take this 2a as the common factor to the outside. Therefore a by 2a equal to the remaining things are in the bracket, and then I want to take LCM at the denominator. So for this c and b, that LCM is bc. Take this bc here, and we want to cross multiply inside the bracket, so that I have this bc square plus ba square minus b cube. Similarly here I want to cross multiply these two. Therefore a square c plus a square c plus b square c minus c cube. Okay, and then here I want to group the things there. So what are the things are b cube and c cube separately. So take this minus as common. So minus of b cube plus c cube, and then here a square b and a square c, a square terms, group the thing, and then b square terms, bc square and b square c. So group these terms here. Okay, and then again I want to make the alteration here. Here this can be written in the form of a square minus b square minus c square plus 2bc. Okay, this bracket can be written as a plus b minus c into a minus b plus c. If we multiply both the brackets, you can get the value of this one. Okay, both are same only, so this bracket can be written as this one, a plus b minus c into a minus b plus c. Okay, so in the first bracket I want to add and subtract c here. Therefore I got this a plus b minus c as a plus b plus c minus 2c. Similarly in the second bracket I want to add and subtract b. Therefore I have a plus b plus c minus 2b. Okay, and then in that next step, here a plus b plus c equal to 2s, isn't it? A plus b plus c equal to 2s. So this, instead of this a plus b plus c, I can substitute 2s. Similarly here also for this a plus b plus c, I want to substitute 2s. Okay, therefore the bracket change like this, 2s minus 2c into 2s minus 2b. So here 2 is common there, so take 2 from the first bracket and take 2 from the second bracket also. Therefore it becomes 4 now. So the remaining factors are s minus c into s minus b. Here I can cancel this 2 and 2 here, and here I can cancel that, and then the remaining things are b plus c, 2 of b plus c divided by bc equal into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, this s minus b into s minus c divided by bc, this can be written as sin square a by 2. Therefore the remaining thing, the required answer is 2 of b plus c into sin square a by 2. This is the result from the previous problems there. So s minus b into s minus c divided by bc equal to sin square a by 2. Next problem, a square minus c square by b square equal to sin of a minus c divided by sin of a plus c. Here we have the sign formula, a by sin a equal to b by sin b equal to c by sin c equal to k. So cross multiplying, and after the cross multiplying we can hit a equal to k sin a, b equal to k sin b, c equal to k sin c. Okay, I want to take the left hand side as a square minus c square by b square. Substitute each and everything here. Instead of a square, I can have k square sin square a. For c square, this k square sin square c, and for b square, k square sin square b. And then take the common factors as k square at the numerator, so that k square will be get cancelled. After the cancellation we have sin square a minus sin square c divided by sin square b. At the numerator we have sin square a minus sin square c, isn't it? So for this we have the formula sin of a plus c into sin of a minus c. And at the denominator we have simply b only at the angle. So I can write this b as 180 minus of a plus c. It's from a plus b plus c equal to 180 degree, isn't it? So if you want b, take this a and c to the other side, so that it will become 180 minus of a plus c. Okay, now we can have the value like this. At the numerator we have a plus c sin of a plus c into sin of a minus c divided by sin square of 180 minus a plus b plus c. Okay, that 180 minus of a plus c is 2 into 90. So 2 is even, keep sign as it is. It is in the second quadrant sign is plus. So I can write this as sin square of a plus c. At the numerator we have already one sin of a plus c. So cancel these two things. So one term only I have there. Therefore the answer is sin of a minus c divided by sin of a plus c. Okay, and then look at the next problem. A into sin of b minus c divided by b square minus c square equal to b into sin of c minus a by c square minus a square equal to c into sin of a minus b by a square minus b square. Even here also I want to take the sin formula. A by sin a equal to b by sin b equal to c by sin c equal to k equate to k there. So that I can have each and every value like this. A equal to k sin a, b equal to k sin b, and c equal to k sin c. Take the left hand side. Here I want to substitute the value of a, that is k sin a. For b, k sin b. For c, k sin c. Keep all the other things as it is there, that sin of b minus c. Okay, and then at the denominator we have k square is common, isn't it? Take k square is a common here. From this I can cancel one k here. So the remaining k is at the denominator. And then the remaining things are here this sin a can be written as sin of b plus c, isn't it? That means pi minus of b plus c, that is nothing but sin of b plus c. Sin of b plus c into sin of b minus c divided by sin square b minus sin square c. Okay, that numerator can be written as sin square b minus sin square c. Therefore, I can cancel both numerator and the denominator, so that the answer is 1 by k only here. Simply 1 by k. Similarly, we can prove the second and third part also, which is equal to 1 by k here. The second part is there and third part is here, which is equal to 1 by k. Therefore, all the values are equal to 1 by k, isn't it? Therefore, we can equate like this. Okay, fifth problem. A plus b by a minus b equal to tan of a plus b by 2 into cot of a minus b by 2. Here a, b, c are given, isn't it? So that I want to take that same sign formula like this. Same a, b, c is here. We can substitute to the left hand side. That is a plus b by a minus b. Instead of this a, I can have 2k sin a. Instead of b, 2k sin b. And even denominator also I want to substitute this. And then 2k is common in all the terms. So we can cancel 2k. Therefore, we have the remaining thing as sin a plus sin b divided by sin a minus sin b. Okay, and then this sin a and sin a plus sin b, that is in the form of sin c plus sin d. We can have the formula sin c plus sin d is nothing but 2 sin a sin of a plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2. Likewise, at the denominator also sin c minus sin d. That formula is 2 cos of a plus b by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2. Okay, here I can cancel this 2 and 2. It get cancelled. Therefore, and remaining things are sin by cos is tan. So tan of a plus b by 2, and here cos of a minus b by 2 divided by sin of a minus b by 2, that is nothing but cot. Okay, so the required answer is tan of a plus b by 2 into cot of a minus b by 2.